Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for this video, I'm going to be unboxing my copy of Rising Day Random Trading Cards. This is the part of the Rise FanCon Tour. So we have here the Rise version and then the Baby Rise version. For each of the version, I think there are two concept and one selfie photo card for the Rise version, and then for the Baby Rise, there's two concept and then one baby photo cards. So I'm so excited with this one because I saw the template for the baby photo card and it's going to be an epic set of photo card for collection. Okay, so we'll start with the Rising version. So this is the baby blue version. Okay, so this is the front of the packaging and then we have here the back. Okay, so let's open each one and then see. Hopefully we don't get any duplicate because we are collecting all members, all version. So for this one, we have, so that's the back. So first one we have Shotaro. So I think this is a selfie. This is the concept, or this is the selfie photo card for this version, which is nice. We'll put Shotaro here. There you go. And then this one is a concept of Unso. Okay. So we'll put it here, or at least here. I don't know. Yes, let's do that. For the second pack, we have this one. Okay, we have Unso. So this is, I think, a selfie one. So I guess we're gonna be getting one selfie and one concept. And we have Sohi. So that would be difficult because I only bought 9 copies to get 18 photo cards. So I guess we're not gonna be completing anything today. Okay. But at least it gives us a lot of chance to complete the selfie and the baby photo card. So that's another Shotaro. And then for the concept, we have Anton. Nice. Okay. This one, we have another Unsuk and one Ben. Nice. Okay. How many is this? This is the fourth one. Oh, the fifth one. And we have, that's Soy, his selfie. And then for the concept, that's a duplicate of Unsuk. So next, we have this one, concept or selfie. We have Sunchan. And then the second one is Sohi. That's a duplicate. I'm double checking because some of the photo are almost the same with just minor changes in the members posing. Okay, for this one we have Anton. Okay, that's really nice. We're just missing one bin and we're already completed with the selfie. Then we have Anton. This is a duplicate. Okay. Next. So we only have so far one set of concept. This one. There you go. So we are now complete with the Rise version photo card. And then for the concept, we have Sunchan. There you go. So we're still missing one Shotaro and then one whole set. And then for this one, the last one, we have another Shotaro. And then our concept is Sohi, but this is the second version of Sohi, which means we didn't pull any concept of Shotaro. We are already complete with Sohi. Nice. Okay. So that's the rice version. Now I'm excited with this one. We're hoping to complete the baby rice photo card considering that it is at least one on each package. I'm hoping to complete the 6 members. Let's start with this one. By the way, this is the front for the baby rice, and this is the back. Okay, first one. Oh, that's one bin. Looks like this one, right? But this should be on the second one. Okay, I don't know who that is. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I think that's Shotaro, right? So I think that's Shotaro. There we go. Next one. Oh, we have Sunchan. And then that's Anton. Nice. So that's our second baby photo card. Next. It's Unsuk. And then we have another Anton. Next. There we go. Oh, who's that? Is that? I think that's Unsuk, right? I think it's Unsuk. So let's put that as Unsuk. And then we have Sunchan. It's the same. Yep, it's the same. So we're getting difficulty finding the second concept photo cards. For this one, we have... Okay, that's cute. Who's that? I think... I think that's Sohi, right? There's no identifier. I think that's Sohi. Let's put it as Sohi. And then we have... Oh, the second photo card of Unsuk. So it means we're done with Unsuk for the baby rice version. Next is this one. We have, okay, that's Anton's concept. And then for the baby, we have another Anton. So we're still missing Sunchan and Wonbin on the baby rice photo card. Okay, that's cute. So this is another duplicate Sunchan, and I think this is Sunchan, right? Because I saw the Wonbin baby photo card, and this is not it. So that's Sunchan. So again, we're missing Wonbin as our only baby photo card left. There you go. That's Wonbin. So nice. So at least we completed the selfie photo card for the rice version as well as the baby photo cards for the baby rice version. For the concept we have Unsuk. This is a duplicate. So we haven't pulled any Sohi and Shotaro for the concept. Actually, we haven't pulled any Shotaro across all versions in terms of the concept photo card. Okay, so that's a duplicate of Sunchan. And then for the concept we have... Okay, this is the second version of Anton. Nice. So at least we did have complete set of Anton, complete set of Unsuk for the baby rice, and then complete set of Sohi for the rice version. There you go. So this is my unboxing of Rising Day trading cards. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.